All right, just been looking for a video to do. I didn't do it yesterday, but Saturday evening would be a good day, but I might just do it here this Sunday morning uploading. But I figured out, or I edit this to get the big picture up front. But I figured out like how to actually start seeing what you want. Like I'm in the midst of a job search and everything. I figured out like that it's about sending out the right signals and me being alive, operations, streaming, know a lot of streaming, podcast, and not necessarily marketing, which I've been claiming, but I haven't really been on the marketing strategy. I've been on live ops and all that. And I've been setting up signals, I've been seeing signals of marketing because, well, I figured I was doing here and there a little bit, doing some posting, but not necessarily involved in ownership of the strategy. I've been just doing some posting here and there, but not as the like taking ownership of that strategy. But what I've owned is podcasting, keeping that going, and what I've owned is keeping things running, that kind of thing. And I've been seeing and learning is like when it comes to using these tools, technology tools, it's how are you using these technology tools? One thought of mine came up as a thought that when people say, "Oh, I'm being shadowbanned on social media," well, how are you using social media? How are you? I guess they're calling it interest media now. Oh, look at this. They're calling it interest media now. But how are you using it? Are you liking every little thing with shiny object syndrome? Or are you being intent on what you want to see on your platforms, your pages, your profiles? Are you being intentional? Are you being present to what the algorithm of all these platforms are showing you? Do you even know why the algorithms are showing you certain things in your feed? Do you even know why? And are you using them correctly, using them intentionally as a tool, not just an escape entertainment? And that's what I've been using ChatGPT. I actually got this image of this thing that's going around. This caricature. Can't even say the word. Caricature. That's it. That's been going around. So I gave a little simple prompt to upload a picture, and gave me a version of me at the editing desk, and switch it up. And I think I might post out. I'll show it here. Yeah, I have a video actually. It finally came to me. It's like what I was learning all this time is making sure you send the right signals out. Whatever you do, every button, every like, every look at a post, everything you're doing on these platforms, and they're everywhere. And it's not just online, it's when you're going to a store. Everything you do in a store is tracked, it's monitored, and it is data to store managers, it's marketing managers, it's data. Everything you do, anywhere, not just online. So if you're seeking to avoid social media, I got news for you. It's not just online. Still recording. Just want to see you. Yeah, it's not just online. Well, I just want to end it there. If you like everything I'm doing, got caught up on videos, got some podcasts coming up with D50 After Dark, ready to publish some powerful, good, powerful stuff going on. Dogs trying to go after a cat. And if you like anything I'm doing, I'm starting to link also. You can buy me a coffee. You can do the link to buy me a coffee. Send me some money or love that way too, if you like what I'm doing there. But the best way you can do is just subscribe, give a like and a comment, and let me know what you're liking, what you're watching, and what you want more of. And I'll see you in the next video.